Hello and welcome back to Uncle Bill's Kitchen. You're in for a great surprise, a real treat. We're going to the Philippines today making chicken adobo. It's a national dish, super easy to make. It's got garlic, chicken, soy sauce, vinegar. You're gonna love it. Stay tuned. Kamusta ka, everyone, and welcome to Uncle Bill's Kitchen. Here is a list of ingredients you will need. Please pause the video and make a list. The Philippines is a wonderful place filled with amazing foods. Everything from adobo to balot, which is a duck embryo in an egg served with beer. In this episode, we're going to be showing you how to make chicken adobo. First, let's add some soy sauce and garlic to our main bowl. This is going to be some peppercorns, a little handful, and I'm throwing in about 5 bay leaves. If they're regular sized bay leaves, you can throw in 3. We're going to throw in some chopped up onions. Now this is optional. You do not need to add onions. I just love them. Give them a little stir, soak up some of that soy sauce goodness. Now we're going to add our chicken into the mix. And you can crowd the chicken in here a little bit, but you don't want to put them on top of each other. You want them to soak up that sauce. This is going to be so good, guys. Now, I don't like my adobo too salty, so I cover it all the way with a little bit of water. This makes sure that the chicken cooks evenly and it spreads that wonderful flavor all over the place. Now here we are just getting started. It's been about 5 minutes. Brought it up to a boil. We're here at 10 minutes now. Looking good, looking good. Here we are at 15 minutes. Boiling nicely. Let's recover. Here at 25 minutes. Oh yeah, look at that. Let's give it a little stir. Make sure nothing's sticking to the bottom of the pan. The oils are coming out nicely from the chicken, flavoring that wonderful stock. Here we are at 35 minutes. Also still looking good. The water is getting nice and oily. That is absolutely normal. You want it to happen. That's the wonderful goodness of the adobo. I'm going to add a little soy sauce to this, darken it up a little bit. And now we're going to reduce that water out. We're not going to put the lid on after 35 minutes. We want to get that sauce nice and strong. Give it a little stir. See how the chicken's doing. Make sure everybody's covered up and happy. And we're back again now. It's been about an hour. And as you can see, the chicken is just falling apart. At this point, I'm going to remove those bay leaves because that's something that you don't want to eat. There's 2. Where's that other one? Darn it. Ah, there you are. And the last one. Come on, come on. I got you. Out. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, guys, this looks so delicious. I like to put it over some white rice. It's a must. This Philippine dish definitely requires to have some white rice because of how sweet the sauce is. And here's my wife to test it out. Honey, what do you think? Absolutely delicious. Thanks for stopping by Uncle Bill's Kitchen. If you enjoyed our content, please be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. It's free and helps us with the YouTube algorithm.